Okay guys, today we're going to do a short journal entry before we do 9.6. 9.6 is for a grade, but I just want to introduce this concept. It is going to be easy. If you know how to do the algorithm for addition, you can do it with decimal fractions. Okay, so let's quick review. If we have 346 plus 212. Okay, write that down. Okay, we've lined up all the numbers from the hundred for the ones column to the hundreds column. So you do 6 plus 2 is 8, 4 plus 1 is 5, 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, same thing if you have the number 324 plus 12, you'd line it up in the same columns. Okay, 4 plus 2, 6, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3, put that 0 for a placeholder, plus 0 is 3. Now you'll do the same thing for decimal fractions. So if I had the numbers 5 and 72, and we're adding 6 and 8/10, we line them up by, not the last numbers, but by the decimal. Okay, by that decimal point. So we're adding, it doesn't matter which goes on top. So I'm going to put 5 and 72 hundredths. So then decimal point right here, 6 and 8/10. We're adding. So if you would like, you can put a 0 so it all lines up. It doesn't matter, but remember 6 and 8/10 is the same thing as 6 and 80 hundredths. 2 plus 0 is 2. 7 plus 8 is 15. Carry the 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Nothing more to carry the 1 at. Put right here. And then do not forget, bring down that decimal. That's it. That is completely it. So again, if you had the numbers, let's do one more. So let's say we had 82 hundredths plus 3 and 1/10. Line it up by the decimal point. Okay, 82 hundredths. And then we have the decimal point, 3 and 1/10. If you would like, and put our zeros in, does not make a difference. We're adding 2 plus 0 is 2, 8 plus 1 is 9, bring down the decimal, 0 plus 3 is 3. Okay, exactly the same as up here, just add a decimal point. Okay. Now, and I will take a picture of that and also post that on this one. Okay, we have 9.6. We just did this one right here in the other step. So we're going to go to the step up. Let's do that first one together. It says calculate the total mass of each pair of packages. 4 plus 5 is 9. 3 plus 2 is 5. 8 plus 3 is 11. Bring it over here into the next column. Please do not put the 1 right here. Make sure you're looking at the columns, keeping it in each column. Okay. So for this one, 8 plus 5, you don't put 13 right here, you have to carry it. Okay, on this side, okay, you are going to have to plug them in. Let's do B together. Remember, it doesn't matter which one goes on top, which one goes on bottom. So we're lining it up by the decimal fraction. So we have 8 and 92 hundredths. And we have 5 and 42 hundredths. 2 plus 2 is 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. 3, carry the 1. We have our decimal point. 8 plus 5 is 13. Plus 1 is 14. 4, then a 1 over here. Okay, do that with all of these. Over here, step ahead, this student seems to repeat the same error on a test. Describe the mistake in words. So look through each one of these problems and see what they're doing. And you can say, so the student blank when they should have blank. Okay, write it in words, please. You don't need to find the correct answers, just describe the mistake. And that's it for 9.6. Make sure to follow the directions on the board when you're done.